Alright, update on the BMW X5 headlight module. Got all the wiring spliced together, the harnesses, and we're getting ready to plug it in, see what happens. I just reached over from the passenger side and started it, so I haven't even given it throttle yet to see if any of those systems are going. I haven't even gone through the fuses or relays or anything, so not really sure. So let me go see if the headlights work and the throttle works. Doesn't look like anything's catching on fire or smoking as of yet, so we'll see. Alright, looks like both headlights are working. Let's go see if we can give it some throttle. Yes, I think all systems are good. Please hit the like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.